drives me bonkers. So hi everyone, this is Matt Satori. Welcome back to another Tech Tuesday. So today we're going to talk about this 1176, which I believe it's an F revision. So it brought in with a broken view meter that was just floating around. It wasn't particularly working at all. The unit wasn't compressing at all. So we put it on the bench. The first thing that I did was I turned it on to check if it was passing signal. It was passing signal, so life is good. So the meter wasn't moving because the needle was bent and it was touching the front cover of it. So remove the front cover, bend the needle back ever so slightly because they're very sensitive. You don't want to mess around with those too much. Once that was done, I thought, I'm sure the light bulbs are burned. They all are. And if you ask any techs what is the most painful thing about an 1176 old style, they will all say the meter. So what I did is I tried to remove the bulbs, but of course the bulb had sat in there for however many years, so they were completely glued onto the meter. I had to remove them manually. I used the Dremel to just enlarge the hole just a tiny bit, so the next time a tech goes in and tries to replace the light bulbs, they will actually come out pretty easily. Great, life is good. Let's try and line it up now. I can get the bias done, which is great. So I said to myself, fantastic, I can bias it, that's pretty good. But there's no gain reduction. Why is there no gain reduction? So I take out my beautiful scope and I try and go around and find out what's going on. And what is going on is that actually there's no side chain. It's going onto the wire that should be going onto the gain reduction control amp, but there's a switch in between, which is the attack switch. So for some reason, there's no signal going through that. And then by looking at the wires and looking at the color coding of an old schematic and trying to understand what was going on, I realized that somebody had wired the switch wrong. Rectify that, went through the lineup, and now it's singing and dancing. On the back of that video, just so you know, we are an official Universal Audio repair center, as you can see here. So we repair the old stuff, we repair the new stuff, and we repair the super new stuff. Give us a call if you need anything.